Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Tradingview charting tool. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one at all. Just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Now the first step will be to select the charts option. So go ahead and select the chart option from the menu, and this is going to take you to the chart page where you can create and manage charts. Step 2 will be to create a new chart. So you can create a new chart and give it a name. And you can choose from various chart types, including candlestick charts, line charts, and Renko charts. Step 3 will be to customize your chart. So you want to customize your chart by adding indicators, drawings, and other tools. And you can also adjust the chart settings to suit your specific needs. The fourth and final step is to use chart templates. So you want to use chart templates to save you time and effort, and you can create and save custom chart templates, and that's going to make your work a lot faster. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use the Tradingview charting tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.